ক্লাস 8 ইংলিশ ডোকচেরি লার্ন এবাউট দ্য পঞ্চায়ত এই লেসন 4 গোটেইখিনি কুৱেশ্যন আনসাৰ্ছ কৰিম। বলক ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। Question number 1, here are some words from the text and their meanings. Test your understanding by matching the words and the on the left with their meaning on the right. তো ইয়াত মেচিং আছে, ইয়াত মেচিং অলৰেডি কৰা আছে, তুমি জাষ্ট ৰিভিজন কৰিলে হ'ল, বাকি একো নাই। ইয়াত চাই যদি হোমৱৰ্ক দিছে হোমৱৰ্কখিনি কৰি ল'ব পাৰা। লাহে লাহে ভিডিঅ' পজ কৰি পেলাই লিখি লোৱা। Question number 2, complete the following sentences with information from the text. A. Dokcheri studies in class 7. B. Name of her school is Dishanmukh Janajati High School. Question C. Her father's name is Konki Mili. Question D. He works in the Panchayat office. Question E. Dokcheri goes to school on foot. She loves to write because she meets people like Dhaniram and talk to them. Question G. The contest the Panchayat election are won has to be 21 years old. Question number 3 खुदी से answer the following question understanding the text better. Question 8 खुदी से what was the meaning of Panchayat long ago. Answer होबो यार it mean governments by 5 elderly men called Panch Gramin Pramukh. Question B, what is the meaning of Panchayat now. यार उत्तर टू होबो it is a body responsible for the development of villages. Question C, what kind of work is done by the Panchayat. यार आंसर टू होबो it builds the repair rural roads, bridges and the houses for the poor. Question D, from where does the Panchayat get money to perform all its work. यार आंसर होबो it raises money from the taxes and receive government grants. Question E, how did the Panchayat help Dhaniram. यार आंसर होबो the Panchayat built a house for him. Question F, how did Dhaniram spend the cold December nights. यार आंसर होबो he spent them on the open veranda of the school buildings. Question number 4 સુધી છે you have just read about the Panchayat using information from the lesson. Fill in the table below. याद दिया से minimum age to contest 21, power of a Panchayat to raise taxes and plan development schemes. তাৰপিছত দিছে kinds of work a Panchayat does, builds roads, bridges and houses for the poor. Sources of money, taxes on vehicle, bazaar and government grants. Question number 8 কৈছে let's practice changing other question into the reported form. A. She said to her father what kind of work do you do. Her answer was she asked her father what kind of work he did. Question B, she said to her father where do you get all the money from. Her answer was she said her father where they got all the money from. Question C, she said to her father is that money enough to do so much work. Answer होबो she asked her father if that money was enough to do so much work. Question D, she asked him why did you build a house for poor Dhaniram. Your answer होबो she asked him why he did not build a house for a poor Dhaniram. Question E, she said to him what is a Panchayat. She asked him what is a Panchayat was. Change the following imperative sentence into their negative and emphatic forms. তো এইখিনি কুৱেশ্যন আৰু আনসাৰ্ছ গোটেইখিনি মই কৰি থৈ দিছোঁ, তুমি ভিডিঅ' পজ কৰি পেলাই লিখি ল'ব পাৰিবা। ব'লা নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যনত আগবাঢ়ো। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 10 সুধিছে here is a crossword puzzle for you find out the adjective in the puzzle to fill up the blanks on the right one is done for you. তো A হ'ব open, B হ'ব annual, C হ'ব rural, D হ'ব social, E হ'ব good, F হ'ব social, G হ'ব brief और H হ'ব bitter. Next question কৈছে let's play a game fill in the blanks by putting in one or two letters to show the difference in the spelling. তো ইয়াত দি আছে DIA, এইটো হ'ব ডায়েৰী, এই ডায়েৰী হ'ব। তাৰপিছৰটো দিছে, তাৰপিছৰটো কি হ'ব AI হ'ব, এইটো ডেইৰী হ'ব। তাৰপিছৰটো দি আছে ৱেডাৰ হ'ব। তাৰপিছৰটো দিয়া আছে কুৱেশ্যন C, ইয়াত কি হ'ব A হ'ব মানে লেক হ'ব। কুৱেশ্যন C দিয়া আছে I, এইটো লাইক হ'ব। কুৱেশ্যন D দিয়া আছে A, এইটো ৱাছ হ'ব। কুৱেশ্যন D ডাব্লিউ পিছত আই লগাব লাগিব, এইটো হৈ যাব উইচ। ইত আছে এনৰ পিছত ই লগাব লাগে, কুৱেশ্যন ইত আছে দুটা ই লিখি দিছোঁ, তোমালোক মিলাই ল'ব, অকণ মানে DTP ভুল হৈ গৈছে। এনৰ পিছত অ' লগাব লাগে মানে নাও হ'ব, নাও দ্য প্ৰেজেণ্ট টাইম। তো মই আশা কৰিছোঁ ভিডিঅ'টো তোমালোকক ভাল লাগিছে। যদি ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিছে প্লিজ চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা, ভিডিঅ'টো লাইক কৰি দিবা, কমেণ্ট কৰি জনাবা তুমি ভিডিঅ'টো ক'ৰ পৰা চাই আছা। আৰু লগ পাওঁ নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত। আজিলৈ ইমানেই, বাই বাই।